Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching this. This is Taylor Watch from What's Investing, and today I've decided to make a change to the subscriber challenge fund and to change it to a dividend growth stock, as this current one doesn't pay a dividend and it obviously can't have a growing dividend, and it kind of makes no sense to kind of my personality, my type of investing to actually have. So we're going to put all of this investment value into a different stock. So I'm going to keep the value of that stock the same as this 123.04. Well, actually the actual whole value, the 8, and I'm going to make that the new value. So the dividend growth stock that I'm choosing to put that money into is Triple M. So I'm going to make this number 126.04 or 23.04 or whatever that number is, and go from there on Triple M, because they're a dividend growth stock that I already chose to have earlier, as that was the exact reasoning. Huge dividend growth and a stock that will probably boom after lockdown and all that in the countries, and hopefully return to this 5-year high as the industry of manufacturing and construction and technology grows and grows and grows. So that is the decision I am making to the fund, as yeah, it is a growth stock, as you can see clearly, but it's not a dividend growth stock, and it doesn't really make much sense to have, and it has a huge management fee. I only just realized that when I was looking at it. So I am going to be selling this probably tomorrow, and then going into Triple M the next trading stock hours. Yeah, g'day. So we're back after we've sold the Global Water Fund, and we've changed over the money of that subscriber fund, and we've put it into Triple M. So as you can see, we're at 123.08, which is what the Global Water Fund was at when we sold it. So this is going to be our new subscriber fund, because it makes a lot more sense in the portfolio being a dividend growth stock and not having that 1.3% management fee. So over the long term, this should be a much better option, and it fits the kind of ideal more, which is kind of the whole thing we're going with. And just to kind of top this off, we're going to add the relevant subscribers that have changed since the last video, which I think was 93. So that means we have gained 22 subscribers since then, I think. Yep. And we also got 3 referrals in during the gap between the videos, so that should be another 30. So I think it's $52 all up. And what I'm going to do, which is a little bit different, is just for ease of mind, as you would already have noticed, is that's 123 US dollars. So to kind of make this more of an impactful position in my portfolio, being the subscriber fund, rather than using NZ dollars, I'm going to make it $1 US for every subscriber and $10 US for every referral. So that's going to continue through from now. So that is actually like 50% higher than it normally should be in NZ dollars. So we're going to do that. So we're going to put in 52 US dollars. And that market order will go through probably in about 10 hours or something. And that's going to be what we're doing for our portfolio now. And that should be super cool to see that growing and paying us a dividend over time. And it's just a great stock to have. So that's where we're going with that. And yeah, so our next video will be talking about the month of September, talking about the dividends, talking about our biggest dividend yet, and probably our biggest dividend month yet, and kind of talking about those dividend goals for the year and seeing how they're tracking. So I'll just scroll through the portfolio just to give it a wee nosy, and you can see the numbers that have changed since last time. Most of them will be kind of the US stocks. I've just been buying those as kind of the gains have dropped, because I kind of bought at just the market buy in my first video of the US stocks, and as they've dropped, I've bought more and kind of used that as my basis of buying. So as Apple's dropped, I might buy more there, and AT&T. And then down here, we've got our 10% yielders here, just as some fun to a monthly high dividends if those go well. Then we've got our Johnson & Johnson, some McDonald's, and Microsoft. So you'll see this is a lot bigger than the 26 US dollars that we did have, and we added MasterCard and Nvidia and Visa at the bottom. And yeah, we've been topping these up. Realty Income Corp, we're now at 1.5 stocks almost, so that's awesome. We've also been adding to our ETFs and adding into our Tesla position. And I think our average Tesla buy price is just over 300 and maybe 20 something. Not on these, mainly on the Hatch holdings. And yeah, that's what we're at the moment, just as the portfolio. But there'll be a more in-depth update on the dividends, the growth, the chart, the returns, and everything, including the spreadsheet, probably in the next video or the next two. And yeah, so if you're keen to stick around, hit that subscribe button. Leave your comments below on how your portfolio is going, what you think about certain stocks, and I'll see you guys next time. So yeah, happy investing.